Hello, beautiful internet family. My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the course creator here on the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. And today we have a huge giveaway. We're giving away a brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. So that means it comes with the controller, it comes with the drone, it comes with 3 batteries as well. You get the charging hub, the 3 batteries, and you also get the carrying bag with all of the extra accessories included in the Fly More combo. So before I jump into the giveaway conditions and how you can actually enter this amazing giveaway, I just want to mention one quick thing. So if you go over to the Fearless Drone Academy's website, that's fearlessdrone.academy, scroll down a little bit, you'll find the newsletter section. And if you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get yourself a free gift, which is actually the pre-flight checklist. It's extremely comprehensive. There's a bunch of steps that you can check to make sure that you've covered everything, you're flying safely, and you know what to look for to try to prevent any sort of safety issues with your drone. So make sure to sign up because you will get that as a free gift. And then from there, the newsletter will actually notify you if we have any exclusive giveaways, anything behind the scenes that aren't posted online in this kind of a forum. I do have a bunch of giveaways and things that kind of pop up exclusively through the newsletter, so make sure to subscribe over there. The other thing to quickly mention is if you are looking to get the Fearless Drone Academy, you can use the code FDA10, so that's Fearless Drone Academy, FDA10. You can save 10% off the course. So let's get into this phenomenal giveaway here. I can't believe I'm giving away a brand new Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. This giveaway has been sponsored by danstube.tv, which is my main YouTube channel, as well as the Fearless Drone Academy. And basically it's a very simple giveaway to enter. The giveaway announcement will be live over on danstube.tv in the coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe over there and turn on that notification bell. But on the Fearless Drone Academy, I am announcing the giveaway video as well, just to make sure that all the audience watching over here know about this giveaway. And basically, all you have to do to enter this giveaway is follow the link in the video description or the link in the pinned comment below. So both of those will take you through to the King Sumo giveaway entry page. And then the steps that follow are extremely simple. All you have to do is sign up over on that giveaway page. That will give you 3 entries into the giveaway. You can leave it at that if that's all you want to do, but if you want to give yourself a better chance of winning, once you're signed in, you'll see a bunch of different giveaway conditions. And you'll see that each giveaway condition nets you a different amount of entries. So if you comment on the giveaway video, that will net you 10 entries. And then there's a bunch of different options to follow me on different socials. So you either subscribe on YouTube, you subscribe on other platforms or follow on other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and that will give you 5 entries for each. And then there's a daily entry down the bottom. So you click on that will get you 1 entry, and then you come back each day to enter that daily entry. And then on top of that, what I'm going to do is over the coming days, I'm going to add some more entries, and that's how you're going to net yourself even more entries into the giveaway. So there'll be a bunch in there that will come up very soon relating to the Fearless Drone Academy. So that'll be following us on different social platforms, subscribing to us on YouTube and all that good stuff. So make sure to keep coming back to give yourself a better chance of winning this Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. It really is that simple to net yourself the latest mini drone from DJI. The Mini 4 Pro has it all. It really is the Mini to the max, and that's what their marketing campaign was, Mini to the max. So the mini drone maxed out with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. You got 4K 60 FPS HDR video, you got 10-bit color options as well. There's so much going on in here. If you want to check out all that content where I've reviewed it and compared this to other drones and done a bunch of other really exciting videos, check out danstube.tv, my main channel, and you'll see all of those videos over there. The giveaway live announcement video, so it will be a live stream, is going to be over on danstube.tv. So like I said, subscribe over there to make sure that you're live to watch as that announcement happens. And that will happen in the coming weeks. You'll see on the King Sumo page when it actually ends, and the live stream, if all goes to plan, will be happening when it actually says that the giveaway ends. So fingers crossed. When everything wraps up, I will go live straight on my channel, which is Wednesday at 10 a.m. in Australia, and it will actually have the countdown at the bottom. So keep tuned to that. Subscribe on the Fearless Drone Academy, subscribe to the newsletter over on our website, and yeah, let me know if you got any questions, any comments, any thoughts, any new video ideas. Let us know, and we can come up with some exciting new content on the channel. So let us know in the comments below, and let's start a chat down there, and I will talk to you very soon. Good luck to everyone. Best of luck to everyone who's entering, and can't wait to do some more giveaways in the future. So stay tuned, and I'll talk to you then. Peace.